Hugo, what are you doing in there? What are you doing? You getting in your toy box to play? Reading a book? It's a good place to read a book. Nice and cozy. What are you doing? Hey, hey, Harlow. What are you doing? You're so silly. How are you even fitting in there? Huh? Uh-oh. What are you gonna do now? How are you gonna get out? Hmm? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, you did it! You got out. Hey. Yay! Yay! Say bye-bye. 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 Yeah, good job.